Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add phone number on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the X app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can go to the settings and privacy. And after this, you can scroll down, tap on privacy and safety, and after this you can now tap on your account, and here you can now tap on account information, and you can see the second option, that is phone. Tap on it, and after this you can first enter your password, and after entering the password you can now tap on next, and after tapping on next you can enter your phone number. And it is the way you can add phone number on X or Twitter. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.